Hi everyone, I am positively overwhelmed by the outputs that you have made in our first activity. And you have proven that online platform cannot stop your creativity and your passion in learning. And I commend you for that. And to give full credits to your efforts, I will be announcing the top 5 best videos in each block. These videos have shown creativity and remarkable presentation. Congratulations!
A precious day to you, sir, and to all Tipsinians out there. Hi, my name is Nina Megadin, 19 years of age, living at Puro Santo Niño, Talibon, Bohol, and now currently studying at Talibon Polytechnic College as a first-year student, Block 1, in the Department of BSAIS, or Bachelor of Science and Accounting Information System. So we are here to talk about the importance of mathematics and how mathematics applied in our daily lives. So I was asked by these questions. We all know that mathematics is composed of shapes, numbers, patterns, formulas, deals with logic, quantity, arrangement, and even problem solving. But for me, mathematics is beyond complete meaning. Mathematics is life. It is actually everything, because we use mathematics in different perspectives. We achieve these modernized generations because of math. It is already part of what and how we live today. Mathematics help us understand the things that are hidden in this world. And I could say that a beautiful world exists in the presence of mathematics. I applied mathematics in my day-to-day activities such as
checking time. We check out the time as we get up in the morning. Practicing tic-tac dance through counting. You applied math when you play Dama. Teaching your cousin to the 4 basic operations of mathematics.
Indeed, I need mathematics because it is very useful understanding how the things around us work. In fact, it develops our problem-solving skills. We discover the things that are unseen, and mathematics is our companion that guided us to better know the world. We also learn time management, encourage our learning reasoning, and creative thinking. Mathematics help us to correct every decisions we have. And that's all. Thank you.
A pleasant morning to you all. My name is Anne Mikashila C. Seko from Block 1. I am a freshman student of Talibon Polytechnic College under the Department of Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System. This video, I will be discussing you the importance of mathematics, and it also provided by 3 questions. First question is, what is mathematics? So what is mathematics? Some people says that it is a study of numbers and arithmetic operations that includes the basic components of mathematics, which are the addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Some also says that it is a tool or a collection of skills that help us answer the questions of how many or how much. Like for example, how many cars you owned, or how much does your new bag cost? Some also says that it is an abstract science of numbers, quantity, and space. So there are so many words that we can define mathematics, but for me, there is only one word I can define on mathematics, and that is universal. So why is mathematics for me is universal? It is because mathematics is everywhere and we are in mathematics on it, even in our gadgets. Second question is, when can we apply the principles of mathematics in our day-to-day activities? Well, we already applied mathematics every day in our daily lives. Just try to imagine life without mathematics. How can we read time? Know the date. Use the right formula. Use the right angle. Calculate the speed and count money. What will happen to our architectures? No buildings, no roads, and no bridges. What will happen to our transportations when there is no vehicle, no planes, and no ships? I know it's impossible for us to travel by walking, running, swimming, or flying from country to country. What will be our measurements when there's no formula? How can they perform experiments? What will happen to our sciences? I am talking here about medicines particularly. How can they make medicine for us? So you see, mathematics is absolutely everywhere. And lastly, do we need mathematics? I can only say yes, mathematics is vital. It is because it helps us think critically and solve problems. It also helps us enhance our communication, measuring, and reasoning ability at the same time.
Good day, everyone. I am Jocelyn M. Quino, a first-year college student of Talibon Polytechnic College, taking up Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System or BSAIS Block 1. For me, mathematics is everything and everywhere in this world. It consists of equations and calculations. It contains the symbols addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Mathematics helps me in problem solving. In a day-to-day life, mathematics is a helpful aspect. Math is not just a class, but is a topic that constantly impacts our decisions. Math can help us shop wisely and cook a delicious meal. In shopping, by looking at its price tag, how much the dress worth is all about math. In cooking, we estimate the cost of a dish and we measure the ingredients added in order to make a delicious meal. Mathematics is everywhere. It is important in everyone's lives. Engineers and architects cannot build buildings without math. Accountants cannot count money without math. Math teachers cannot teach students if they don't know what is math. Even us. If we don't know what math is, our lives may not be easier as what we have now. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am Jeremy S. Rabay from the Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information Systems, Block 1. Why do we need mathematics? Why do we need to solve? How is it important into our lives? We have so many whys, hows, whats in our minds. Well, mathematics is not just about solving, like using multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction. Mathematics in the modern world is a study of numbers, shapes, or patterns. Mathematics is from the Greek word mathema, which means science, knowledge, or learning, or it is sometimes shortened as maths. Moreover, mathematics is the science that deals with logic of shapes, quantity, and arrangements. Mathematics principles are very important in our day-to-day activities. We can use these principles anywhere, like in the houses, in the buildings, in the ships, etc. We can use maths every day, like chatting in the phone, like in gardening, in arts, in statistics, and in banking. We need mathematics every day because it helps us to understand the world and provides an effective way of building mental discipline. Moreover, mathematics encourages logical reasoning, critical thinking, abstract or spatial thinking, and problem-solving ability, or even effective communication skills. We all know that communications is very important into our lives because without communication, we can't understand each other. Thus, mathematics plays a vital role in our lives. So before I'm going to end, let me give you these codes. Mathematics is not about equations, numbers, computations, or algorithms. It's about understanding. Thank you and have a good day.
Hello everyone, this is Maybelline Rosales, a freshman student of Taliban Polytechnic College under the Department of Accountancy Information System, Block 1. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you the thoughts and ideas about mathematics. Hope you like it! Mathematics is the abstract science of number, quantity, and space. Mathematics may be studied in its own right or pure mathematics, or as it is applied to other disciplines such as physics and engineering, according to dictionary. But for me, mathematics is constant everywhere in life. Mathematics is one of the major subjects that we must learn. Even in a simple problem, we need math. Mathematics is a part of everyday life. I apply mathematics in all activities I do every day, like paying debts, buying in the store, and also costing products. Because actually, we have a small business. We buy and sell coconut fruits. And then, I am the one who always compute the expenses and earnings every week. So, mathematics for me is very important. Of course, yes. Mathematics is one of the first things we learn in life. We need mathematics every day to make better choices throughout everyday life, which helps make life simpler.
Hello everybody, I'm Nicole Ann Ila Rama, first year BSA Information Systems student from Block 2. Mathematics for me is life! Okay, not gonna lie, but mathematics for me is my inescapable enemy. Mathematics may be my inescapable enemy, but I do use it everywhere. Like determining your desired hair length, describing everyone or everything that you saw, tracking the time, buying in stores, checking how much money do you have after checking out in Shopee. As in everywhere. Of course. There's a reason why I call it as my inescapable enemy, because even how complicated it is, I still need it in my life. If there's no mathematics, then maybe I get already scammed many times. Maybe look dumb because my analytics skills aren't honed. And I just can't imagine a day without numbers.
A few moments later.
It's true though.
Everyone, my name is Rafi Rosales, taking up the Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System, Black 2. So what is mathematics for you? So mathematics for me plays a big role in my life. Mathematics is like a bullet and I am the gun. You know, gun without bullet is harmless, useless. It's just a decoration. But gun with a bullet is dangerous. You have this confidence to face the war that happens every day, every minute, every second in your life. So if you know mathematics, all your problems is a piece of cake. So you must learn mathematics. So where do you apply the principles of mathematics in your day-to-day activities? So I apply the principles of mathematics in cooking, when I'm traveling, when I'm driving, when I'm measuring my height and weight, when I'm budgeting my allowance, and also in making my project. Do we need mathematics every day? Yes. Why? Because mathematics help us in different ways. I couldn't imagine without math. Math makes us systematic. Every invention involves math. Also in profession. Our present world runs with computer. And even computer runs with the help of mathematics. Every development that happens requires math, because math is everything.
Good day, everyone. I'm Juby Kathleen Polo, Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System, Black 2.
What is mathematics for me? Have you ever witnessed a mother-child relationship? Well, I have. I am a mother myself and I cherish and give importance to my child. That's how I feel about the mathematics too. I cherish it. It is important to me. Like a child, I may have struggles in taming and understand in the first time, but I will eventually learn it in the long run. Math is everywhere. Hence, we need to learn to love math. We may have struggles at it first, but we need to put into our minds and heart that this is only for us. Where do you apply the principles of mathematics in your day-to-day activities? As I have said, math is everywhere. I apply the principles of mathematics every day and anywhere. If you don't know, I own a humble sari-sari store. As a sari-sari store owner, we need to deal with math every day. From receiving and giving change to buyers to organizing and knowing how much stocks we have left in that certain item. Do you need mathematics every day? Why? Definitely, a world without numbers would be so boring to imagine. Without math, the world would be in chaos and definitely people wouldn't be communicating well, for math is everywhere and anywhere. In every simple thing you do, there is a math. You may haven't noticed it, but math is everywhere and anywhere.
65 baby selection.
What's up? A pleasant and joyous day to everyone. Seriously, a few moments later.
Shout out to our mathematics in the modern world subject teacher, Professor Jules Rosales Padua. Good morning, sir. And to all my classmates, blockmates, good morning, everyone. So, by the way, I am Janeline Torimocha Luega, a student of Talabon Polytechnic College, taking up the Bachelor of Science in Accounting and Information System. So, in today's video's content, we will talk about my personal perception about mathematics, how do I apply the principles of mathematics in my daily living, and what is the importance of mathematics for me. So, bear with me and let's get it on. Let's start this oral participation with the first question.
What is mathematics for you?
What is mathematics for me? Well, in respect with the existing fact definition about mathematics, in which it is the science of numbers, quantities, shapes, and the relations between them. It has 5 branches, which is the algebra, arithmetic, trigonometry, calculus, and geometry. And it has something to do with arrangement, measuring. I can't define mathematics in my own terms, so let me just describe it. For me, mathematics is crucial. Why crucial? Because it has a great contribution on our world's development. Science, technologies, medicines, everything that we have now, mathematics has a great contribution in it. So for example, how would an engineer, architect, carpenter build in houses, buildings, any other infrastructure if they don't know mathematics? Why would a businessman invest in making a business if he didn't know that he'll gain profit? How did he know that he'll gain profit? Because he calculated. So in general, mathematics is important because according to the mathematics community page on Facebook, they define it as the soul of science, the language of nature, the soul of the physical world, the backbone of the human civilization, the lifeblood which flows in each and every creature of God. So therefore, mathematics is important because it exists in everything.
Question number 2. How do you apply the principles of mathematics in your day-to-day activities?
How do I apply the principles of mathematics in my day-to-day activities? Well, as a student, it is very common, the time management. How do we manage our time from household chores and from our schoolworks? Let us also consider the allowance budgeting.
Question number 3. Do you need mathematics every day and why?
Yes, I do. I do need mathematics every day. As of what I said, it is crucial. I can't imagine living without mathematics. I need mathematics every day. That would be all. Thank you for watching.
Good day, everyone. To introduce myself, I am Hazel T. Cadiente, taking the Bachelor of Science in Accounting and Information System.
Let's start this our participation with the first question. Question number 1. What is mathematics for you?
For me, mathematics is not just about numbers, shape, equation, or computation. I believe that mathematics is the most powerful knowledge that we can use in our everyday life. Sometimes, mathematics is like watching Korean drama without subtitles. It's hard to understand. But if I really like the Korean drama, I will keep watching even it's hard to understand. Just like in mathematics. Although it's hard to understand, but if you just see things deep about mathematics, you will see the beauty and art of it.
Where do you apply the principles of mathematics in your day-to-day activities?
Favorite thing about mathematics is that I can apply it to my everyday activities. And most of the time, I don't usually realize it. Like for example, because of math, I can read the clock. I will know what time is it. I also use math in budgeting my everyday allowance and buying things. Mathematics is very useful to me because it makes my everyday life easier.
Do you need mathematics every day?
Yes, I believe that I need mathematics in every day because whether we like it or not, we can live without mathematics because it is part of our everyday life. Simple things like measuring, buying things is mathematics. How we can do this without it? Our world will be at mess without math because mathematics is one of the most useful things that we can use to change the world.